The first iMachining operation under Mac 2 finishes the bottom ledge on the underside of the part. Double-click on iRough Face Back Ledge in the CAM Manager to open the iMachining operation dialog. By clicking Show in the Geometry branch, we can see that two chains are defined, with the first being the stock boundary and the second being the bottom of the floor radius. The stock chain is marked as open. We will be using the 1/2 inch diameter end mill for this operation. We can see that the milling levels have been selected in the Levels branch. Now, let's simulate our toolpath. In HostCAD, we see that the tool begins at the stock chain marked as open and collapses in towards the floor radius. The radius is not machined at this stage. Let's also look at the simulation using Solid Verify. Let's exit the simulation and operation dialogs.